pause this video for a while and try to guess the output of this code snippet. So here item 1 is apple and item 2 is also apple, and I'm trying to compare the two items with double equals to as well as with is. So if you guessed it as true and false, then you are wrong. I'll just try to run the code to see the output. String intern. See, both are returning true. But Satya, you told in previous classes that whenever we are trying to create an item, an apple object will be created in a memory. And again, we are trying to create an apple. So another object will be created in a memory. So whenever we are trying to compare items with double equals to, it try to compare the values. So apple, both values are equal, so it should return true. That is correct. When we are comparing the items with is, it should compare the references. So apple is in different object and second apple is in different object. So both the references are not same. Then why this particular code is returning true here? That is what today's concept, string interning. Welcome to Python Uncovered. Today this concept is Python string interning. String interning. So what is the definition of string interning? String interning in Python is an optimization technique where Python stores only one copy of identical immutable strings in memory and reuses it whenever possible. Got it? So whenever you try to assign to same immutable strings are immutable, right? So strings to two different variables, then instead of creating two different objects, those only one object will be created and those two variables will be pointing to that one object. So in a memory, so when I'm trying to create an apple and I'm assigning it to A, this is what happens. Again, when I'm trying to create an apple, this is what it's supposed to be happening. But instead of this one, it still points to this one. Because to optimize memory, to load the memory fast, to execute the code fast. This is a memory concept, like memory optimization technique. See here, this is the optimization technique where Python stores. And why does this Python do this one? It saves memory, so memory will be saved. So if we have to save multiple duplicates, then obviously memory will be consumed. But it saves memory and can make string comparisons faster because Python can compare object references instead of comparing every character. Also the comparison becomes easy. But one thing, it do not applicable for a long strings, or it may not applicable for every string. But this is one of the concepts used in Python. If you see this code, so this code is holding the basket of apple, orange, apple, banana and apple. And if I print, obviously it prints, right? So here apple is repeated 3 times. So instead of creating 3 different apples in the memory, it only creates one apple and remaining things will be pointed to that same apple. So one apple is created instead of 3 apples to save the memory, and everywhere apple reference is stored. And as I told you, this is not applicable for every string, but it only applicable for few strings, and we do not know which string this particular optimization technique is applicable and not applicable. And mostly in interviews this concept is not asked, but I just want to tell you this concept in this lecture. Yeah, that is what string interning. See you in the next lecture.